Hello everyone! I think the kitchen was the easiest part of our van build, so let's dive into it. We needed two pieces of base cabinet frame. The fridge needs to be lifted up a little so the door can open. That's why we lifted up the whole kitchen cabinet with a DIY simple wood frame. One of the base cabinets opened to the outside for easy change of the grey and fresh water tank. There is the tanks and the electricity for the pump. We put the same door on the back of this cabinet as in the front. There is of course a blind door on the inside just for covering that part. Unfortunately, the fridge cable crosses off the cabinet because it had to be connected directly to the battery, but that's another story. And the other base cabinet. We didn't have any idea how to stabilize the drawers, so finally we used this child lock. And then the counter. This glass holder is amazing, absolutely recommended. That's our shower. I will show it in action in another video. We didn't want a big fresh water tank, and the reason is here. We don't need special water pipes or special heads to refill the tanks. For example, we were in Greece for 2 weeks and totally off-grid because we could use fountains. I hope this can give you some ideas on your van build. Thanks for watching.